Two major systems that are involved in the values calculation of the brain are the self-relevance system and the social-relevance system. The self-relevance system is concerned with questions like, is a decision in alignment with who I am? Is it what I'm interested in and what I enjoy? Is it something that feels like me? The social relevance system is concerned with questions like, what are other people interested in? What do other people care about? What are other people thinking and feeling? These two functions make sense from a common sense point of view. Of course, our brain obviously wants to ensure our own survival, so it would make sense that we are concerned about our self-relevance. And also, humans are social creatures, so it makes sense that we would have a function of the brain dedicated to facilitating the social nature of our species. It's really handy knowing the specific brain systems that are at work. Between these two brain systems and other brain systems, the values calculation factors in so many different inputs. This is empowering to know because it means that our values calculations are not like this fixed thing determined by genetics that we have no control over. Rather, by understanding the science of choice and change, we can, in a sense, broaden our flashlights. We can widen our lens. We can look at different aspects of the values calculation to influence our own value calculation and to influence the way our brain works for the better. And let me read some passages from Emily Falk's book, What We Value, to describe this dynamic at work. As a neuroscientist and as a person, I find this knowledge empowering. Knowing how flexible, dynamic, and influential a value system is, how many different factors it is able to weigh in a given decision, helps me to appreciate my own and others' ability and potential to change, adapt, and grow. Once you understand how the brain assigns value to different options, you can view the decisions you make with a broader lens. I like to think of it as a way of exploring the question, where is the possibility? It's a way to direct a flashlight around in the dark, finding crawl places, escape routes, and paths forward that you might not otherwise have realized were there. As we've seen already, the value our brains assign to any given option is never fixed. Your behavior isn't determined solely by your genes or your education or your personality, and is highly dependent on context and culture.